how I started the beginning of my picture project, I spent about the first 10 minutes centering my 2.5 pounds of clay by pushing into a downwards motion and coning upwards, and I was cleaning up the rest of my excess clay. Once I got there, I used 2 thumbs to open the dome and pulled upwards, cleaned that up, and then I took it and I started to try and trim the bottom, but it didn't work, so I just dried it up, took it off, dried it with the heat gun, and once I got it off, I moved it over to the banding wheel where I spun it and just dried it up with the heat gun because the clay was still wet and I needed to be able to trim it. Then I rolled out flat pieces of clay and carved in my flowers. Once I carved all of them out to fit my full perfect circular flower, I used the arch side of my needle tool to make designs on my petals. Then I took a small ball of clay to add depth and make the middle of the circle rise up higher than the rest of them. Then I used other small pieces of flattened clay to carve out rounded flowers and a bigger flower and all my other designs. And then these are the other flowers that I added to my piece. And I glazed my base with blue snowflake and used plum, rose quartz, and green opal for all my designs and flowers. And here's the finished product.